When sailing on Celebrity Eclipse, you will notice that their connecting cabins are designed a little differently. In this video, I'm going to show you what to expect when choosing connecting cabins on the Eclipse. Traditionally, you would find that a connecting cabin will have a door inside the cabins that will allow you to go in and out for easy access. They will each have their own door that gives them access to the hallway. But on this ship, they do not have a connecting door inside the cabin. Instead, they have an outer door that connects the cabins to become two cabins within one space. With the outer door closed, you will have a little hallway connecting the two cabins that will keep their doors open. This is cabin number 7181, a V2 category cabin that is connected to cabin 7179. My family found this to be fabulous as it allowed easy access between cabins while still being private, and it also allowed us to see who was coming in the shared main door. This layout is also great for cruisers who are booking a connected cabin but are not linked families or friends, but don't have to worry about being connected because the outer door will remain open and it won't feel like a connected cabin. Hope you find this video helpful. Happy cruising!